At a VCAA 2020 Exam 2, Section A, Question 12. A clock has a minute hand that is 10 centimetres long and a clock face with a radius of 15 centimetres, as shown below. At 12 noon, both hands of the clock point vertically upwards and the tip of the minute hand is at its maximum distance above the base of the clock face. The height h centimetres of the tip of the minute hand above the base of the clock face t minutes after 12 noon is given by. So these questions, it's all about us just modeling. So I'm just going to draw a graph. Now we know the middle part here is 15 centimeters above. So that means my normal origin for a sine and cosine, the middle part is always going to be at the middle right here. So it's been pushed up by 15. So straight away, that tells me that I must have plus 15 at the end, which every single one of these questions does. The next part I'm looking at is the 10. My graph goes 10 down to 5 and 10 up to 25. So that means that is my amplitude. So I need 10 as my amplitude and all of them has it. But we've got a negative here. We'll talk about that in a minute. So this is where we need to look at the next part. Our clock starts at the top at the highest point. Then at 3, it's going to be at 15. Then at 6, it's going to be at 5. At 9 on my clock, it will be back at 15. And then after the end of the hour, it will be back at 25. So this looks like a cosine, a positive cosine graph. So straight away, if we don't do anything more, I can cancel A, I can cancel B, and I can cancel C. So now you've literally got a 50% chance of getting this question right. Now, we need to think about what's going on in our circle. So the first thing we need to be thinking about is a full rotation of a circle is 2 pi radians. That's the first part. So the next thing we need to be thinking about is we have to divide this by the number of minutes, which we have 60 minutes, because we're looking at it as per minute. So that means I am literally going to go 2 pi over 60, and that is going to give me pi over 30. Now, we just need to be multiplying it by t, and that is because t is time. So we've at the moment got t pi over 30. T pi over 30 is my e.